Snow, sand, and mud are pretty difficult trails to tackle, especially if your e-bike's not made for them. Having one of the top-rated vigorous electric bikes can give you the right amount of boost, but a powerful electric motor alone may not be enough to get the job done smoothly and consistently. That is why many electric bikes being produced these days are provided with fat, grippy tires to make sure they serve their purpose even on various challenging trails. These e-bikes are widely known as fat tire electric bikes. It seems like these fat tire electric bikes came like a storm and captured the eyes of everyone. So we've made a list of our top picks for the best fat tire electric bikes. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Here are the top 10 fat tire electric bikes. 10. Rambo Roamer 750-watt fat tire electric hunting bike. The Roamer is built chiefly to lead and wander around the woods with confidence and style, having been equipped with a Bafang 750-watt mid-drive motor. This e-bike can definitely fill your thirst for long drives and intense adventures with the Samsung 48-volt 14-amp-hour battery that can last a maximum distance of 35 miles. The Roamer highlights its pair of Kenda Crusade 26 by 4.0-inch fat tires with double-wall 80mm rims, making it an exceptionally great fat tire electric bike for outdoor adventures. It is also equipped with 2-piston hydraulic disc brakes for excellent stopping power. 9. Green Bike USA GB Low Step Fat Tire 750-watt folding fat tire electric bike. This folding e-bike is powered by a 750-watt Nexus motor, great for both climbing hills and long-distance trips. It comes with a fast-charging 48-volt 18.2-amp-hour Samsung battery that can go a maximum distance of 60 miles in just a single charge. The GB Low Step features its puncture-free 20 by 4-inch wide tires that provide you with a smooth and cozy ride. 8. Yamee 750S 750-watt fat tire electric bike. This fat tire e-bike from Yamee is mainly operated by a 750-watt IPA system dedicated motor. It goes with a 48-volt 14.5-amp-hour battery hidden within the frame that has a capacity of going a maximum range of 40 to 60 miles per complete charge. Its 20-inch aluminum alloy foldable frame lets you carry and transfer it anywhere conveniently. This e-bike is equipped with a pair of 20 by 4-inch all-terrain tires that come with a 20-inch alloy spring suspension fork for a smoother ride on bumpy trails. 7. Rattan LM 750-watt fat tire electric bike. This e-bike comprises a strong and powerful motor of 750-watt IPA system dedicated that lets you utilize it for longer time and distance. The 48-volt 13-amp-hour lithium battery has an impressive mile range of 70 to 90 miles. The Rattan LM highlights its 20 by 4-inch all-terrain fat tires capable of overcoming uneven roads and even steep hills. Having the perfect set of Tektro disc brakes and Shimano 7-speed derailleur system, this e-bike's definitely winning the game. 6. Ecotric Hammer 1000-watt beach snow fat tire electric bike. The vintage look of this fat tire e-bike is acquired from the 70s designs of racer bikes. Integrated in this electric bike is a high-performance 1000-watt rear hub motor that takes your biking experience to the next level. Its 48-volt 13-amp-hour battery has a range of 30 to 40 miles, great for daily commuting to school or work. Its extra-wide 26 by 4-inch tires together with the suspension comfort at the seat post ensure that your ride is free of worry and discomfort. Loving the list so far? Remember to shop our selection at electricbikeparadise.com and use code FLASH5 to get 5% off your purchase. Now, let's get back to the video. 5. Rambo Rampage 1000-watt full suspension fat tire electric hunting bike. The Rampage is a full suspension fat tire electric bike that showcases its 1000-watt extreme performance Bafang Ultra Drive motor. With its ingenious frame-integrated battery design, your e-bike's center of gravity rests lower on the bike frame, resulting in greater stability. The 21-amp-hour battery has the capacity of covering a maximum distance of 60 miles per complete charge. One of its key features is the interactive LCD screen that keeps track of your trip distance, battery level, power, and speed. As a superior fat tire e-bike, the Rampage brags its durable, puncture-proof Maxxis Minion 27.5 by 2.8-inch tires and can go as fast as 28 miles per hour. 4. Revi Bikes Cheetah Cafe Racer 750-watt fat tire electric bike. Given the 750-watt Bafang high-speed gear powerful motor with a peak output of over 1000 watt, the Cheetah Cafe Racer can easily cover all the jobs for you. Along with the 48-volt 13 or 17.5 amp-hour Samsung battery, you can travel a distance range of 35 to 45 miles. One of the main highlights of this e-bike is the pair of 26 by 4-inch tires from Chaoyang, the leader of Chinese tire market. This fat tire e-bike features a right-hand half-twist grip throttle and can go a maximum speed of 28 miles per hour. 3. Emojo Ram Sport 750-watt folding fat tire electric bike. This fat tire e-bike is supported by a whopping 750-watt DC brushless motor, great for commuting and even extreme outdoor activities. The 48-volt 10.4 amp-hour battery has a capacity of 30 miles, just enough to accomplish your daily tasks. This sport e-bike prides its Kenda tires with a 20 by 4-inch thickness suitable for rough and difficult trails. 2. Nakto Discovery 300-watt cruiser fat tire electric bike. For less than $1,000, you can score this amazing fat tire e-bike from Nakto that utilizes a 300-watt hub motor. Its 48-volt 8 amp-hour battery can last for 20 to 25 miles, sufficient for short and mid-long trips. It has an LED control panel and LCD that indicates the battery level, speed, trip distance and the level of pedal assist. Its fat, grippy 20 by 4-inch tires are the main highlight of this e-bike because they have a great cushioning effect. 1. Micargi Steed 800-watt fat tire electric mountain bike. This fat tire e-bike boasts its 800-watt direct drive motor. This powerful motor is paired with Samsung 48-volt 11.6 amp-hour battery that has the capacity to travel a distance range of 20 to 25 miles in a single charge. The Micargi Steed comprises 26 by 4-inch fat tires and a Micargi performance saddle for smoother and more comfortable journeys. We hope this video aided you to finding the best fat tire electric bike out there. Comment down below which one of these e-bikes is your favorite. Remember, you can find all of these e-bikes on the description below, or if you're still in the search for other e-bikes on the market, browse our wide selection of e-bikes at electricbikeparadise.com or call us directly at 800-590-2738. Our sales agent are available to talk from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.